Hello everyone today. We're thrilled to bring you an amazing Black Friday special. When you purchase a heat pump from us, you will enjoy a 5% discount, plus free installation, free delivery, and a free thermal bubble cover. A heat pump not only keeps your pool at the perfect temperature year-round, but also saves energy and reduces costs. It is eco-friendly, durable, and ensures maximum comfort for you and your family. Plus, with our expert installation, you can enjoy hassle-free setup and long-lasting performance. Do not miss this chance to upgrade your pool with this exclusive deal. Hurry before it's gone.